Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my Arabic learners. Welcome to another part of our Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's video, we will be talking about af'al, that is Arabic verbs. Arabic verbs, that is, because we have fi'l madi, which is that is past tense. Then we have fi'l mudari, which is what? Which is present verbs. We have the past verbs, and then we also have the past present verbs. So, and then these are verbs here. That is af'al. Af'al, you say af'al, it means what? Verbs. That's it is the plural, verbs. That is verbs. And then this is the singular, which is what? Fi'lu. That's a fi'lu. That is what? Verb. It means verb. That's the singular. This is the plural. Now, fahima, all these verbs here, they are what? They are in past tense. They are all what? They are in past tense. And now we want to transform this past tense to the present tense, because all this is going to fast track our Arabic learning, inshallah ta'ala. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, follow, and likes. This is going to motivate me to be able to produce a lot of videos about our Arabic learning. Now, the first is we have fahima, we have, which is what? Which is the past tense. Let's say fi'l madi. Then we have the what? We have fi'l mudari. We have fi'l madi. And then we also have fi'l al-mudari. Fi'l al-mudari. So we have fi'l madi, and then we have what? Fi'l mudari. Now, fi'l madi, then we also have what? Fi'l mudari. Fahima, that's fahima. He understands. That's the meaning of fahima. That is, he understands, which is what? Which is the past tense. Fahima. Fahima. That's the past tense. Past tense, which means he understand. Then the present continuous tense is going to be what? Yafhamu. That's what. That's going to be yafhamu, which is what? Which is understanding. Is understanding. That is understanding. That's the present continuous verb. Present continuous what tense? Fahima, which is what? Which is the past tense. That is past tense. Then the fi'l mudari, that is the present tense of what? Of fahima, is going to be what? Yafhamu. That is understanding. This one is understand, which is the past tense, but this one is understanding. That is the present continuous tense. Is understanding. Now we have la'iba. La'iba. What with this now? With fahima, we can use this fahima to form another sentence. Now, how do you say I don't understand? How do you say? You say ma fahimtu. That's a ma fahimtu. Let me write it, then I will clean it. Ma fahimtu. That is ma fahimtu. That is I don't understand. Ma fahimtu. I don't understand. Ma fahimtu. I don't what? I don't understand. That's now we have ishtara. That's the second la'iba, which is the second verb. La'iba. La'iba, it means he played. That is la'iba. That is he played. He played. That's the past tense. That is the past verb. La'iba. That's what la'iba. That is he played. Then the present is going to be what? The present continuous tense is going to be what? Yala'abu. That is what? Yala'abu. Yala'abu. That's going to be what? That's going to be the fi'l mudari. That is the present continuous tense of what? Of la'iba, of fi'l madi, of la'iba. That is, he played. Yal'ab is what? Is playing. That is the present continuous what tense. Now, how do you say I played with children? I played with children. You say قد لعبت مع الأولاد. قد لعبت. That's قد لعبت مع الأولاد. Let me write it clearly. مع الأولاد. That's مع الأولاد. قد لعبت مع الأولاد. That is, I played with what? With children. I played with what? With children. That is the past tense. Now let's use the present tense. La'iba, that is, he played, that is playing with children. You say يلعب مع الأولاد. يلعب مع الأولاد. That's يلعب مع الأولاد. That is مع الأولاد. That is playing with what? With the children. Is playing. That is doing that thing at the right moment. That is doing this thing at this moment. يلعب مع الأولاد. That is playing. Is doing that kind of what? That kind of thing at that particular moment we are talking. يلعب مع الأولاد. That is playing with what? With children. قد لعبت مع الأولاد. That is, I played with children. I myself, which is what? Which is the past tense. We can say, okay, but this tadumatu now, it represents the fa'il, that is the subject, which I myself. But if I say la'iba ma'al awlad, that is, he played with children. That is la'iba ma'al awlad. That is what? La'iba, that is, he played with what? With the children. That is what? He played with the children. But I said qala'ibtu, which is this tadumatu, represents me myself personally. That is, that's the tadumatu, that's the fa'il, that is the subject. That's the subject. And tadumatu, I myself, I'm referring to myself. I represent this tadumatu with what? With myself, which is what? Which is the fa'il, that is the subject, that I'm the subject. قد لعبت مع الأولاد. I played with what? I played with children. لعب مع الأولاد. He played with the children. لعب مع الأولاد. He played with what? With the children. Now we have another verb, which is ishtara. 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 That is ishtara. Ishtara. The present, you have ishtara. Ishtara. Now, what about the present tense? That is the present verbs, the present continuous verbs is going to be what? Yashtari. That is yashtari. Ishtara, that is he bought. That's the past tense. He bought. Ishtara, that ishtara. Yashtari, that is buying. Ishtara, which is the what? Which is the past tense. Ishtara. Now, then the present tense, the present continuous verb is going to be what? Yashtari. That's this is it. Yashtari, that is buying. Is what? Is buying. Yashtari is buying. Ishtara, what he bought. That's the past tense. Yashtari, that is what is buying. Now we have now let's use ishtara to form another phrase. Then let's say, okay, how do you say that is, he bought a book? How do you say that in Arabic? You say ishtara. Huwa ishtara kutub. That is, he bought books. That is books. ishtara kutub. That is huwa ishtara kutub. That is huwa ishtara. That is huwa ishtara kutub. That is, he bought what? He bought books. He bought what? He bought books. So kutub, that's the plural of what? Kitab. The kitab is the book. The kutub is what? Is the jamu, and that is the plural of kitab. The plural of what? Kitab. That's what. That's the kutub. It's the plural of book, which is kitab. It is what? It is kutub. Kutubu is the what? Is the plural of kitab. This is the kitab. This is the kitab. That is book. Then the plural is what? Kutubu. Now we have sami'a. That's another verb. Sami'a. Yeah, sami'a. سمع. سمع. That is he had. He had. Or he had, yes. Or he listened. That's he had. Then سمع. That's the past tense. Then the fi'l mudari, which is the present tense, is going to be what? يسمع. That is يسمع. That is listening. يسمع is listening. سمع is what? He listened. سمع he listened. يسمع is going to be what? Is listening. يسمع is what? Is listening. Now, then we have qabila, which is what? He received. That's qabila. He received. He received. That's the past tense. He received. Then the present tense is going to be yakbalu. It's going to be what? Yakbalu. That's qabila. He received. Yakbalu is receiving. That is receiving. Qabila he received. That's the past tense. Then yakbalu is what? Is receiving. Now, then we have sa'ala, which is what? Sa'ala, he asked. That he asked. Sa'ala. That is, he asked. He asked. That he asked. Then sa'ala. Then that's the past tense, which is what? Which is the fi'l madi. That's the past tense, fi'l madi. Now, the present tense is going to be yes alu. Yes alu. That is what? Is asking. Is asking. That is present tense. Present continuous what? Verbs are. That's present tense. Yes alu. Yes alu is what? Is asking. Yes alu. Huwa yes alu suhal. That is asking a question. That is, how do you say is asking a question in Arabic? How do you say that in Arabic? Is asking a question. You will say huwa yas'alu su'al. Huwa yas'alu su'al. Now, let's write it. Huwa yas'alu. Huwa yas'alu su'al. That is huwa yas'alu su'al. That is asking a question. Is what? Asking a question. Huwa yas'alu su'al. That is asking a what? Is asking a question. Then the past. Okay, let's use the past tense. That sa'ala su'al. That is, he asked a question. That's sa'ala su'al. That's what? He asked a question. That is the past tense. He asked a question. That is sa'ala su'al. That is, he asked a question. Now, then we have azala. Azala, that is removed. Azala, removed. That is he removed. Azala. That's azala. That is azala. That is what he removed. He removed. He removed. Now the present tense is going to be what? Yuzilu. That's going to be what? Yuzilu. Azala yuzilu. That is removing. Is what is removing. Yuzilu. That is what is removing. Azala. That he removed. That's the past tense. Past what? That's the past tense. That's the past verb. Now, a'ata, which is the last verb we have here, which is a'ata. It means he gave. That's a'ata. A'ata, that is he gave. A'ata, that is what he gave. That is a'ata, which is what? Which is the past tense. A'ata, he gave. That is he gave. He gave. That's the past tense. A'ata. Now the present tense, that is the present verb, is going to be what? Yu'ti. It's going to be yu'ti. That's what? That's yu'ti. That is giving. A'ata, he gave. Yu'ti is giving. Yu'ti is giving. That is giving. Yu'ti is giving. Yu'ti is what is giving. Now, how do you say I gave him a book? I gave him a book. How do you say that in Arabic? I gave him a book. Or I gave him the book. How do you say that? Let's write it. Yeah. We are using the words thought, that is he gave, to form another sentence here. That is that is I gave him the what? I gave him a book. You will say toituhu. 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 That is toituhu. أعطيته كتاب. That's أعطيته كتاب. That is I gave him a what? I gave him a book. أعطيته كتاب. I gave him a book. Now how do you say I gave him the book? You will say أعطيته الكتاب. Yes, أعطيته. أعطيته الكتاب. That's أعطيته الكتاب. That's what? I gave him the book. This alif and lam, which it means the. Don't forget the. You say أعطيته الكتاب. That is, I gave him the book. أعطيته الكتاب. I gave him the book. Now, أعطيته kitab, that is, I gave him a book. So, these are what we have for today. So, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share, like, and subscribe. See me in my next video. Assalamu alaikum.